There's a common question. Will AI take African jobs?
That's not the question that matters. What matters is how African developers are already using AI, not to compete with it, but to collaborate with it. With tools like GitHub Copilot, GPT-4, and Replit, teams are going from idea to MVP faster than ever. Code is no longer written alone. It's co-created. A developer types a function, AI suggests the next 10. Debugging becomes dialogue. Innovation, once limited by infrastructure, is now driven by intelligence. Artificial and human. You don't need a Silicon Valley zip code to build world-class software. You need vision, tools, and the mindset to deploy. This is the spirit of GAFE AI.
Our platform
growing with
increases
AI, not
engagement by
getting left behind by it.
40%.
Because when talent meets technology, there's no limit to what Africa can build. Don't just code, co-create.